Today we have to know about consumer buying process. This is the chapter related with the marketing. We know the marketing, we know the customer. Now, what is the definition of the consumer buying process? The consumer buying process is the steps of the consumer taking takes in making a purchasing decision. While purchasing decision, there are five steps that we have to know. Consumer buying process, it will start with problems recognition, information search, then evaluation of the alternatives, then purchase decision, and post purchase behavior. So one by one we have to see. So first one is the problem recognition. Consumer recognizes the need of the particular product from triggering of his mind or any different trigger. Now we can give the example that this is the morning and I want something to eat. Okay. Now we'll see. I'm hungry. I want food. I want food. That means the need of the customer is food. So problem is behind his hungriness. He wants some food, isn't it? Then we have to know about the second thing that is called the information search. Now, what kind of the information search? Now, consumer search information about his need in external sources as well as internal sources like newspaper, TV, posters, menu card. So these are the sources by which customer gets some information for his purchasing. The next one, evaluation of alternatives. Right now, there are several alternatives available by the search. It may be internal in his mind. I want this. I know the poha. I know idli and all those things. But he will evaluate the things because he might not have some money or any other problem. That may be a timing, that may be a he may having the past. So evaluation means what exactly? The evaluation of the alternatives. One by one we'll see upma, poha, bread butter, omelette, pani puri, and burger. So these are the alternatives available for this man. Now we'll see the next one is the purchase decision. This is the fourth one in this. After evaluation of the alternatives available, consumer chooses one of the alternatives of his for his final purchase. Now, last one and fifth one that is called the post purchase behavior. After purchasing, consumer with his satisfaction or dissatisfaction, he realized he made a good decision to buy or not. because he may like or he may not like this one. So in this case, what is happened that we have to know. Yeah, so he didn't like because very hot. So he took a wrong decision at this point. So post purchase behavior of this person is like this. He didn't like that whatever he purchased. Thanks.